Let me show you perspective text in Photoshop. First, unlock the background layer. Click here and pick black color. Click here and choose Paint Bucket tool. Left click. Click here and choose Horizontal Type tool. Text here. Press Ctrl+T for transform. And adjust like this. Right-click on this layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Make it duplicate layer. Click and drag the text under main text. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click here and choose Perspective. Click and drag like this. Again press Ctrl+T. Hold Shift and drag this. Click here and choose Gradient Overlay. Follow these settings. Hope you like.